Hello and welcome back guys, my name is Siddham Guru and you're watching
Life Towards Technology.
His name is Arpan Khanal and he's my best friend.
And today we are going to do an unboxing of Realme 3. So hope you enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe.
So here in my hand I have the box of the Realme 3 and now let's unwrap it first. Okay, the box looks pretty creative and first let's open it up to see the contents of the box. So okay, just open up and okay, so it's coming out very gently and I think it's done. Yeah, so here we can see the media partners of the Realme written down there, and inside this there probably should be a back case, yeah, and some paperwork. Here we have the quick installation guide, and this is another paperwork, but it's the same, which I never read. And let's keep them aside and let's look at the case. This is a good quality TFT case. Okay, so Realme bundled it there, and here we get the best. We got the main thing, that is the Realme 3. Okay, so let's unwrap it first, and then I'll give you the physical overview of the device. As soon as we unwrap the device, we see the premium looking Realme branding there. There we have 13+2 megapixel rear camera, and we have fingerprint sensor in a perfect position. And on the right side we have the power on and off button. The top is clean. On the left side we have the SIM card tray with 2 nano SIM and 1 microSD card. Down we have volume rockers, and on the base we have the speaker grill as well as the primary microphone, micro USB port and 3.5mm headphone port. It has a very small dewdrop notch design with 6.2-inch HD plus display. It has everything that we need in today's date. Let's keep it aside and get a look on the adapter. It has an output of 5 volt with 2 amperes, and that is as expected. And finally we have this micro USB to USB cable, and that is it. This is the total contents of the box.
So from now, I'll take in the charge. I'll show you the SIM ejector tool. It's here. So just come out, baby. Yeah, it's here. It's in my hand. So I'll show you the SIM tray. Oh, it's in the other side. Yeah, it's here. So I'm showing you the SIM tray, and I think it's dedicated. Yeah, it's dedicated, and as you can see, it's dedicated. The company has given you a good thing, and I'm putting it in. And let's keep the ejector to the side, and I'll put in the case and show you how it looks. So this is the phone with the case, and I'll put it on. I think there is charge. Yeah, it has charge, and let's open it. So we have finished setting up this device, and let's see specifications. Let's open the screen, and as you can see, the device name is Realme 3 with ColorOS version 6, Android version 9, processor Helio E70, internal storage 64, in which 48.2 GB is available, and RAM is 4 GB, and Android version is 5. Let's show you the version. It's 5. The face unlock is working properly, and the fingerprint sensor is also super sensitive. And this one, yeah, you can see. I just touch it and the screen glows.
So this test is basically of the rear camera of the Realme 3. It has a 13 megapixel sensor with 1.8 aperture. That means more light will enter the sensor, and then there is a 2 megapixel sensor attached with a 13 megapixel for depth sensing. This shot is from the 13 megapixel front facing camera of the device, and this is a similar shot but in a portrait mode. Yeah. Talking about the portrait mode, this shot was taken from the rear sensor in the same mode, and here we tried to take macro shot in 2x zoom. So guys, this was the video in 1x, and we can extend it up to 2x like this one. Yeah, 1x 2x 1x 2x. So guys, now we are testing the video quality of the front camera of the Realme 3. So it goes like this.
So guys, we are now shooting from the rear camera of Realme, and we are doing its video testing. I personally like it, but I don't know what's your review, so please comment it. And now we are switching with DSLR. So guys, this we are taking from a DSLR and I hope you can see the difference.
So guys, this was the full unboxing and hands-on of the new Realme 3, and I think that in this budget segment, this is the best phone you can get in around March or April of the 2019.